Chargers, an essential part of our tech lives. From smartphones to laptops, they power up our devices and keep us connected. But did you know there are a variety of charger types, each with its own benefits? Let's break them down. First up, USB chargers, probably the most common charger type you're familiar with. USB chargers come in several forms: USB-A, USB-B, and the increasingly popular USB-C. USB-A, the larger classic type, is often found in wall plugs or older computers. USB-B is the chunkier type used in printers or older devices, but USB-C is the game changer. Reversible, fast and compact, it powers everything from phones to laptops and even gaming consoles. Fast chargers are all about speed. These chargers use technologies like Qualcomm Quick Charge or power delivery to pump more power into your device, reducing charge time significantly. Perfect for when you're in a hurry. Remember, not all devices support fast charging, so check compatibility before plugging in. Next up, wireless chargers. No cables, no fuss. Using a technology called Qi, pronounced Qi, these chargers use electromagnetic induction to transfer power. All you need to do is place your compatible device on the charging pad. But here's a tip. Wireless chargers are slower than wired ones, so they're ideal for overnight or casual charging. Magnetic chargers like Apple's MagSafe take wireless charging to the next level. They use magnets to snap perfectly onto your device for more precise and faster charging. It's a convenient way to charge your phone, but keep in mind they are usually brand-specific and more expensive. Why settle for charging one device when you can charge 3? Multi-device chargers are designed to power up your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once. A space-saving and organized solution for the tech lover. They come in both wired and wireless varieties, depending on your needs. For the eco-conscious or outdoor adventurer, solar chargers are the way to go. They harness the power of the sun, providing electricity for your devices wherever you are. These are great for camping or emergencies, but they're slower and less reliable on cloudy days. On the go, car chargers are designed for charging while driving. Most plug into your vehicle's cigarette lighter port and are available in USB-A and USB-C options. Some modern cars even come with built-in wireless chargers. So, which charger is right for you? Whether you need speed, convenience, or eco-friendliness, there's a charger out there for everyone. Let us know which one you're using down in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips.